Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today the topic of my video is how to get more flowers on hibiscus and rose plants. See, these are the orange peels and these are the banana peels and lemon peels. I have also collected and sun dried these peels in sun, and when these peels are crisp and fully dried and hard, then we have to grind them in a mixer grinder and make a powder out of it. And this is a bit hard to make a powder, but when it is fully dried, we can make the powder very easily in the mixer grinder. And if the banana peels are more, then it will be black in color, and if the orange peels are more, then it will be brownish orangish. So you have to see how much acidic is your soil by pH meter, and then you can add banana peels. And if as it is not acidic, then you can just add more lemon peels and orange peels. So this is my hibiscus plant and it needs acidic soil, and I give this banana peel and orange and lemon fertilizer to this plant, and it's giving so many flowers and so many buds. More than 50 buds are there in this small plant. I just add this powder after 10 days, and my plant is giving so many flowers, and in huge quantities. The flowers stay one day, it blooms for one day, and then it dries out, or it just drops. And all hibiscus flowers are there for one day only, and so many buds are there, not a single bud is just dropping out. And my plant is so healthy. I grew it from cutting, and see, it is about half a foot long, and it is still giving so many buds and so many flowers. This is the reason is I give this fertilizer which it likes so much. After the fertilizer is added in the soil should be mixed well. Raking of the soil should be done. And then it is going to rain now, so I'm not adding water to it. Otherwise you have to add water to it, and you have to give this fertilizer every 10 days if you want more and more flowers. Whenever you add this fertilizer, it gives so many buds and so many flowers. It becomes so happy. And the same is in the rose plant, and the rose plant also responds to this fertilizer very fast. And whenever we see how many buds are there, all the buds are healthy and they don't drop off, as sometimes in hibiscus plants there is a disease of dropping off these buds, and all buds give flowers. And this small plant of mine is giving so many flowers, and flowers are also very healthy, beautiful. And this is the reason I have shared this method with you to make the soil acidic. Use orange and lemon peels, and if you want more this you have to give more potassium, then you add more bananas. And in the acidic medium, when the soil is acidic, the plant this plant absorbs more nutrition from the soil. So you have to keep in mind that soil should always be acidic. And you have whenever you give this banana and lemon peel and orange peel fertilizer, it is very good for your plant, and your plant will be very happy, and it loves to it loves this fertilizer, and it responds instantly. And this is the magic powder, I should say, which I give to my hibiscus plant and my rose plants. And this is the season of hibiscus. It's giving so many flowers, and all are See, I so many flowers it gives every day, and it is always fully loaded with flowers.